after the trophy chori by Mohsin Naqvi, the PCB chief, denying India the trophy after they won the Asia Cup. Now, the breaking news that we have coming in is that Mohsin Naqvi has apologized to the BCCI. Top sources are telling Times now that Naqvi, however, refuses to return the trophy, asked Surya Kumar to collect the trophy from him. In fact, what we are picking up is that Naqvi had demanded that Surya Kumar come to Dubai and collect the trophy from him because he alone will give it. Let me go across to Karishma. Karishma, what's the inside scoop that you're picking up? What next for the trophy chore? Will it come back to India and when?
Well, everyone's awaiting that decision as far as Mohsin Naqvi is concerned, but he doesn't seem to be giving away the trophy or the medals. He's in fact traveling back to Lahore today, and it'll be interesting to see if he lands up in Lahore with the trophy because he's keeping it very, very close to him, even though we are the legitimate winners. Now, what we are learning from our sources is that Naqvi in that meeting said, why doesn't Surya Kumar Yadav come to Dubai and collect the trophy from me? And the BCCI responded saying, when he did not take the trophy, when you were standing on the dais right in front of him, do you really think he's going to come and especially take the trophy from you? So this is what the demand is from Mohsin Naqvi. But he also then went on to apologize in that meeting and say that whatever happened shouldn't have happened and that I apologize for all of it. He's apologizing but still not refusing to give the trophy. But the BCCI is not, standing down. They are taking this matter up very, very seriously. They are following it up and they are going to take all legal recourse as possible as well to get that trophy home, because the demand is only one from BCCI, that you keep that trophy in the ACC office in Dubai and we will get it collected. Keep our medals there, we will get it collected. But Mohsin Naqvi till this point in time, while he's travelling back to Lahore, also is not agreeing to it.
Well, it's churlish behavior to say the least, Karishma, but let's not forget, ACC president, the PCB chief, he also happens to be the interior minister of Pakistan. And this is what happens, isn't it, Karishma? When you let politicians call the shots, he has completely maligned and tarnished the game of cricket by not allowing the winners to hoist the trophy. Is that a first ever, not just in cricket, in any sports, Karishma?
Well, yes, absolutely. For the longest time that I have covered sports, I haven't seen a tournament where an athlete is not given a medal that they have earned, that they deserve, or, a team is not given the trophy. This is the first time that something like this has happened, and Mohsin Naqvi doesn't seem to back down either, and this comes from a team, from an administrator that have been harping about the sportsman spirit. Is this the sportsman spirit that they were talking about, running away with the trophy that another team won, running away with the medals that another team won? And it was, quite fair to understand that when we are not shaking hands, when we are not talking at all, what makes Mohsin Naqvi think that they will take the trophy from him? And interestingly, in that meeting, what sources have confirmed to us is also that Mohsin Naqvi went on to say that I got the impression that everything was fine and that the trophy would be taken from me. To which the BCCI asked, who gave you that impression? Give us a name so that we can have a conversation. No name was given by Mohsin Naqvi. He was only saying things to save himself in that meeting because the majority of the member boards were also in favor of India, Sri Lanka being the most vocal, saying what has happened is wrong and the trophy should be given to India because they have won this trophy. But Mohsin Naqvi adamant on not giving the trophy back, and now he moves to Lahore. So it will be interesting to see what developments take place while he is in Lahore.
Well, that's going to be very interesting if Mohsin Naqvi takes India's trophy, India's well-deserved and well-earned trophy, back to Lahore. If they can't take it, they will steal it. Well, thank you so much, Karishma. Keep tracking the developments on that front. We'll have to wait and see if ICC steps in, if other people are also going to together come and say that this is not done, enough is enough. Where will the line be drawn? We'll have to wait and see. With that, however, a short break. Don't go anywhere. We'll be back in 2 minutes.